Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Lane, and I'd like to personally thank you for choosing Lane Oral Surgery for your oral surgical needs. During your initial visit with us, we'll take time to discuss your goals and your concerns. We'll perform a comprehensive exam and obtain digital imaging as necessary. We'll then develop a treatment plan that addresses all of your needs. Here at Lane Oral Surgery, our purpose is to make you healthier and happier, and our team is entirely focused on that objective. Our office is designed to make you feel at home. We offer state-of-the-art technology in a caring, comfortable, and non-threatening environment. Our highly dedicated team is devoted to providing the ultimate patient experience through the utilization of technology, training, and the latest techniques. We understand that many, if not most, patients are extremely anxious about seeing an oral surgeon. We're looking forward to seeing you in the near future, and our goal is to make your experience as comfortable as possible.